Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jill and I enjoy sharing different beauties, tips, tricks, and more. And today I wanted to share a couple of products from our Naturally line. And it's going to be two moisturizing items. One is our moisturizing stick and the other one is going to be our moisturizing oil. And I'm going to share some facts and tips with you a little bit about how each one of these works and what's involved in each one of them, such as their ingredients and so forth. And as you can see, this is just a little stick that you turn up when you're ready to use it. And this provides instant moisturizing to whichever area you may be putting it on. So you could use it with your regular skincare, but you could also make this line your regular skincare, if that makes sense. So you can supplement it or use it just as your primary. So one thing I will recommend is if you're using one of these sticks on your face area, I do not recommend also using it on your heels or elbows just because of cross-contamination. So it's perfectly fine to use on any areas, just avoiding your eyelid area itself. But you can definitely use this together or as its own regimen. So this is a great thing to have. If you are traveling with it, I just do want to recommend that you be careful in the heat. Don't leave it like in your car or your purse situation or anything like that, unless you have a little bit of a makeup cooler bag, which could help it, just because the ingredients in it are so pure. So then the oil, I'll just show you a little bit of that before we go all over the ingredients and everything. And it just has a little Doppler in it that is glass. You can hear it tinkling. Okay, that sounded a little awkward, didn't it? But anyway, you can see you just need a few drops. And you can put this on your hands, your feet, your face, anywhere you want a little bit extra nourishment. And this is really going to do the trick. Another thing I really like about this oil is it really helps to soften your cuticles. So if you're doing a little manicure, it's in between your manicures, you can put it on there, also on your feet cuticles. It just helps soften everything up and works right away. So there are a lot of great uses for this oil, and it is really awesome to have in your makeup routine. So let's talk about a little bit about what is in each one of them. So first we're going to talk about the moisturizing stick. And as I mentioned, this is a targeted balm and it's going to help the skin areas that you target feel moisturized and conditioned right away and help relieve those dry patches. It's going to really soften everything up, but remember, if you use it on your face area and then you also want to use it like on your hand or on your heels or your elbows or anything like that, you're probably going to want to have two separate sticks just so you don't have any cross-contamination. It does have beeswax in it, which is an excellent protector of the skin barrier, which is a great thing to have, as well as sunflower seed wax and sunflower seed oil. It is free of paraffins, synthetic fragrance, synthetic dyes, and SLS and SLESs, as are all of our Mary Kay Naturally products. It's also free of silicone, mineral oil, and alcohol, or any other ingredients that have been genetically modified. So 100% natural origin of total ingredients. This product can last up to about 2 months depending on the usage that you decide to use it. If you use it daily, it may use up a little bit quicker depending on the areas of your skin that you're going to be using it on. Next is the Nourishing oil, which is going to also help your skin feeling hydrated and nourished and leave a healthy glow behind. Your skin is going to feel satiny, smooth, soft, and supple. And the one thing I like about this is it absorbs quickly and it's very lightweight. Over 80% of women polled said that they loved how their skin felt after using this oil. There's this blend of sweet almond oil, olive oil, and sesame oil, which are also natural emollients and provide moisturizing benefits. It also has vitamin C, which provides protective antioxidant benefits, and it's going to have a light vanilla scent when you use it. This one is also free of parabens, synthetic fragrance, synthetic dyes, and SLS, SLESs, and also free of silicone, mineral oil, and alcohol, or any other genetically modified products, as mentioned with the stick as well. It's 100% natural origin of total ingredients. So you can use this oil all over, including your face, cuticle, elbows, and you can even massage it into the ends of your hair to help with split ends. You can mix 1 to 2 drops with your favorite moisturizer or foundation for a customized experience. And it can also be mixed with the exfoliant powder from Naturally for a personalized exfoliating experience. You can use this in the morning and evening or both. It is also suitable for sensitive skin, gentle formula for normal to dry skin, and it's also clinically tested and dermatologist tested. So again, if you use this twice daily, 2 to 3 times per use, it's going to last you about 2 months. So I hope you all enjoyed that information about our naturally moisturizing stick and also the oil. There are lots of good benefits to get your skin feeling amazing. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and consider subscribing. I'd love to have you come back as I provide more information. I'm getting ready to go away on a short vacation for a few days, so I will be having a new video up for you again soon. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful week ahead.